Hi students, I am going to start exercise 6.2, the fourth sum. The fourth sum, if A vector, B vector, C vector are three non-coplanar vectors represented by congruent edges of a paralleloparallel of volume 4 cubic units. Find the value of a plus b, a vector plus b vector dot b vector cross c vector plus b vector plus c vector dot c vector cross a vector plus c vector plus a vector dot a vector cross b vector. Okay, so now there is a paralleloparallel of the volume 4. Okay, so now given a vector, b vector, c vector are congruent edges of a paralleloparallel and its volume is 4 cubic units. Then the triple product of a vector dot b vector cross c vector equal to plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4. Equation number 1. Then given the equation a vector plus b vector dot b vector cross c vector plus b vector plus c vector dot c vector cross a vector plus c vector plus a vector dot a vector cross b vector. Then the multiple value of the dot product of a plus b dot b cross c is a dot product of a dot b cross b. Then a vector dot b cross c plus b dot b cross c plus b dot c cross a plus c dot c cross a plus c dot a cross b plus a dot a cross b, a dot a cross b. Okay, so now the triple product of a vector dot b cross c is equal to the box of a vector, b vector, c vector. Okay, so now in the stem of a vector dot b vector cross c vector equal to a vector, b vector, c vector is a box of value. Then b dot b cross c equal to b vector dot b vector, b vector, c vector plus b vector, c vector, a vector. Then c vector, c vector, a vector. Then c vector, a vector, b vector. Then a vector, the a vector, b vector. Okay, so now the two terms a vector, b vector equal to 0. Okay, so given the properties of two terms are equal and this term is equal 0. Okay, so now and this term is a vector, b vector, c vector is same in this term b vector, c is 0, c vector, a vector in this term is 0, a vector, b vector is in this term is 0. So the three terms are 0. Again the balance value a vector, b vector, c vector plus b vector, c vector, a vector plus c vector, a vector, b vector is interchange the value of ABC. So 3ABC. Okay. So now the box of ABC means a vector dot b cross c. So is a value of the first equation a dot b cross c equal to plus or minus 4 is a substitute the value of plus or minus 4 by 1. Okay, so now 3 4s are 12, the plus or minus 12. Okay, that's all. We will meet the next class.